Welcome to the world of user testing, where your opinions and insights can turn into real money. You can shape the digital landscape as a user tester, providing valuable feedback to website and app developers. You can earn extra income anywhere from $3 to $60 per test from your home by visiting websites and applications, following instructions, and giving your thoughts and opinions. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps and can't get paid. User testing is a game changer for anyone looking to earn money from the comfort of their own home. It's a platform connecting businesses with everyday people like you and me, willing to provide valuable feedback on websites and apps. Think of it as a virtual focus group where your thoughts and opinions hold the power to shape the future of the digital world. The process is simple yet brilliant. You'll receive email invitations to test websites and apps that match your demographic profile, and you have to complete a task and voice your thoughts on what you liked and didn't. It's like being a superhero of the digital age, with the power to make websites and apps better for everyone. So why not use your power for good and make some extra cash with user testing? Here's how you can create an account on user testing step by step. Go to the user testing website, usertesting.com. Click on the sign up button in the page's top right corner. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Set up your profile by adding a profile picture, a short bio about yourself, and your location. Click on the Create Account button. You will receive an email to verify your account. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log into the user testing platform. Complete the sample test by following the instructions and providing feedback on your user experience. You can start receiving tests and earning money if your sample test is approved. That's it. With these simple steps, you'll have a user testing account ready to go. Happy testing! The practice test on user testing typically includes a series of tasks that you need to perform on a website or an application. The tasks are designed to evaluate your ability to follow instructions and provide feedback on your user experience. Here's what you can expect in a user testing practice test. 1. A set of tasks to complete. You'll be asked to perform a series of tasks on a website or an application, such as finding a specific item, navigating through different pages, or completing a form. 2. Video recording. Your screen and audio will be recorded as you complete the tasks, which ensures that your feedback is accurate and demonstrates your ability to follow instructions. 3. Feedback. After completing each task, you'll be asked to provide feedback on your user experience, which includes talking out loud about what you're thinking, what you like or dislike about the website or application, and any suggestions for improvement. The practice test is an opportunity for user testing to assess your suitability as a tester. It is essential to take the test seriously and follow the instructions carefully to increase your chances of being accepted into the user testing program. Are you ready to be selected for user testing and earn money for your thoughts and opinions? Here are some tips to help you get there. Make sure your audio quality is top-notch. When you submit your sample test, you want to make sure you sound crystal clear. Brush up on your English skills. You don't need to have an extensive vocabulary, but you must speak clearly and fluently. You should be able to express your thoughts without any hindrance. Find a quiet, noise-free room. You don't want background noise to distract from your thoughts and opinions, and for the best audio quality, consider using headphones. Clean up your workspace. Close any unnecessary windows or tabs you don't want to be recorded in your sample video. Speak up. Be loud and clear as you describe the tasks you're completing and provide feedback on your user experience. The more you talk, the better. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to getting selected for user testing and earning money for your thoughts and opinions. So go ahead, take the plunge, and start your journey with user testing today. Accessing new testing opportunities on user testing has never been easier. The process is fast and efficient and offers a convenient way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. With user testing, finding new testing opportunities is just a few clicks away. To get started, follow these steps. Sign into your user testing account, log in and browse through the available tests. Analyze the test description. Carefully read the description to ensure you comprehend the requirements and compensation. You can also see the estimated time to complete the test. Accept the test. If you're interested in a test, click the Accept button to begin. The process of testing on UserTesting includes several steps to ensure a seamless and efficient experience for testers. Complete the tasks. Once you've accepted the test, you'll be given a set of tasks to complete on a website or application. Follow the instructions and provide feedback about your user experience. Record the video. Your screen and audio will be recorded as you complete the tasks. Make sure to provide detailed feedback on your user experience. Submit the test. Once you've completed all the tasks, you can submit the review test. The video and feedback will be reviewed by the user testing team to ensure it meets their standards. Receive payment. If your test is approved, you'll receive payment for your work. Payments are made through PayPal 7 days after the test is completed. Getting paid for your hard work and effort on user testing is a seamless and simple process. All you have to do is follow a few straightforward steps to receive payment for your services. By understanding the payment process, you can ensure that you get paid quickly and efficiently for all the tests you complete. So take a few moments to learn about how to get paid on user testing, and you'll be on your way to earning money from the comfort of your own home. Have a PayPal account. To receive payment for your work, you must have a PayPal account. Ensure your account is set up and in good standing before accepting any tests. Wait for approval. Once you've submitted a test, it will be reviewed by the user testing team. If your test meets their standards, it will be approved, and you'll be eligible to receive payment. Receive payment. Payments are made 7 days after the test has been approved. The payment will be transferred directly to your PayPal account. Withdraw money. Once you've received payment, you can withdraw the money from your PayPal account to your bank account or use it to make purchases online. Simply log into your PayPal account, click the Withdraw button, and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. User testing is a great way to make some extra cash, but it's essential to keep in mind that the payment for each test varies, and you're going to get rich after a while. However, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, you can make a decent amount of money with user testing. Participating in user testing can be a profitable opportunity for those interested in providing feedback on websites and applications. User testing pays you for your time and effort in providing valuable insights on user experience. The amount of money you can make with user testing depends on the number of tests you complete and the payment rate for each test. On average, you can make $10 per 20-minute test, and if you were to conduct 3 tests per hour, you could make $30 per hour. However, your actual amount will vary depending on your availability, the number of tests available, and your level of expertise. While user testing may not be a full-time income opportunity, it can be a great way to earn extra cash in your free time. With its flexible schedule and the ability to work from anywhere, it's a convenient supplement to your income. If you are interested in making money while providing valuable feedback, user testing is a good fit for you. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.